Well, after a long delay, the Dangote Oil Refinery in the Nigerian city of Lagos is finally set to commence fuel production. The management of the refinery has confirmed it has received its first shipment of 1 million barrels of crude, with more still expected in the coming weeks. CGTN's Deji Badamosi has more details.
The very moment the crude vessel arrived at the Dangote Refinery's single-point mooring to discharge its cargo of 1 million barrels of crude. It's a historic moment for the refinery, which has been literally dormant for lack of crude since it was commissioned in May. The management of the refinery says this shipment is only the first of 6 million barrels of crude expected to be supplied by a range of suppliers. 5 more cargoes like this are expected to be supplied in the coming weeks.
Without any shadow of a doubt, this is a testament to the can-do spirit of the Nigerian, and especially the irrepressible son of Africa, the president of the Dangote Group. And we can see, despite all odds and challenges, this project is coming to a fruition.
President of Dangote Group Aliko Dangote put out the statement saying, "We're delighted to have reached this significant milestone. This is an important achievement for our country as it demonstrates our ability to develop and deliver large capital projects. Our focus over the coming months is to ramp up the refinery to its full capacity. I look forward to the next significant milestone when we deliver the first batch of products to the Nigerian market." End of quote. The first batch of products from the refinery is projected to roll out sometime in January 2024. Though designed to process 650,000 barrels of crude per day, the company says the refinery will begin by processing 350,000 barrels per day and gradually ramp up production over time to the facility's optimal capacity. It might take a while before the first refined petrol comes through the plant, as the refinery plans to start with the production of diesel, aviation fuel and LPG before going into production of petrol. Energy experts are upbeat about the project.
Whatever product that the refinery start to produce, we back out the imported fuel, and that will have some positive impact on the Nigerian economy. And then it's normal that a new plant will have to start on a modest scale and to start to scale up to be able to produce up to full capacity. Maybe we expect that Dangote Refinery should be able to produce about up to about 80-90%, by 2024.
Nigeria is banking on the Dangote Refinery to win the country from its long dependence on petrol imports and save the country's scarce foreign exchange in the process. The refinery has the capacity to meet all of Nigeria's refined petroleum requirements with surplus for exports. The government is also fixing 2 of its own refineries as it targets to make the country a net exporter of petroleum products next year. Deji Badamosi, CGTN, Lagos, Nigeria.